Hey there, savvy shoppers. If you're an Amazon addict like me, you've probably heard about the Amazon Prime Visa card. It's a fantastic way to earn rewards on your everyday purchases, especially with Amazon and Whole Foods. But before you dive in, you need to know how to qualify for pre-approval. In this video, I'll walk you through the key steps and requirements in a simple, straightforward way. Let's get started. First off, what exactly is the Amazon Prime Visa? It's a credit card issued by Chase Bank that's tied to your Amazon Prime membership. With it, you can earn 5% back on Amazon.com purchases, 2% at restaurants, gas stations, and drugstores, and 1% on everything else. Sounds pretty sweet, right? But to even get pre-approved, you have to meet some basic eligibility criteria. The most important factor is your credit score. Generally, you'll need a good to excellent credit score, think 700 or higher on the FICO scale. This isn't set in stone, but it's a good benchmark. Next, you must be an active Amazon Prime member. That means you've got that annual subscription locked in, which costs about $139 a year. Chase also looks at your income. Most applicants need to show an annual income of at least $10,000, but this can vary based on your overall financial profile. Other things to consider include your credit history. Avoid any recent bankruptcies, delinquencies, or too much debt, as these can hurt your chances. Age-wise, you need to be at least 18 years old, and you'll have to be a U.S. resident with a valid social security number. Now, how do you check for pre-approval? Head over to the Chase website or use their app. They often have a pre-qualification tool that lets you see if you might get approved without a hard credit pull, which is great because it won't ding your credit score. Just enter some basic info like your name, address, and income details. A few pro tips. Before applying, check your credit report for free on sites like annualcreditreport.com to make sure there are no errors. Also, pay down any high-interest debt to improve your debt-to-income ratio. Remember, getting pre-approved doesn't guarantee full approval, but it's a solid first step. So, there you have it, your guide to qualifying for Amazon Prime Visa pre-approval. If this sounds like a fit for you, go ahead and check your eligibility today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more money-saving tips. See you next time.